Welcome to the next tutorial video where we'll be exploring how you can summarize web content, compare products, and create lists by using Copilot in Edge. Let's take a closer look. Here we are in the Microsoft Edge browser. We're looking at the Google homepage, and I'm going to run a search for Amazon. And the result that I'm looking for is the amazon.co.uk website. Now, if you're not in the UK, the Amazon result will likely pull up the location that you're currently in. I'm going to select the link here, and this has loaded up the amazon.co.uk website. Now, what I can do is I can open up the Copilot panel by clicking on the chat icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen. And as you can see, Copilot is automatically making some suggestions to me, such as what products are most popular on Amazon UK. What I'm interested in is getting a new laptop. So I'm going to run a search for laptops using the search box at the top. Here are the search results for laptops, quite a lot, 430 results. And I just want to tweak the price. So I don't want anything greater than £800. Now, Copilot can help me to narrow down the results. So I'm going to use the prompt here to ask Copilot some questions. So I'm asking Copilot if it can identify the best laptop for the price. I'm going to send that off. And as you can see, here are the results that Copilot has come up with. So it's identified a Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 as one that it feels is the best value. It's also providing a strong runner-up and the best budget pick. It's also providing information about laptops to avoid. And right at the bottom, it's providing some further suggestions. Do you want me to pick the best one for your needs? And because I want this laptop for work, I'm going to enter a further prompt in the chat. So I'm saying it's for business purposes, and I'm going to send that prompt off. And so it's still identifying the Lenovo IdeaPad as a really good option for business use. And it's also updated the additional information. And as you can see, we could narrow the results even further. So there are some further suggestions about the screen type preference. Finally, another key aspect is having a long battery life. So I'm going to add that as a new prompt. This time, I'm going to open up the Smart menu. I'm going to select the Think Deeper option, and then we'll send that one off. And it's still coming up with the Lenovo IdeaPad. If we scroll down, it's providing a useful table comparing the different features. I'm going to come out of the Think Deeper and reset it back to the default. The next prompt that I want to send off to Copilot is to ask it if it can create a comprehensive list of all of the laptops that have been discussed today. Let's send that off. And here are the results. As you can see on screen, I'm just going to scroll down. Very similar to the previous results, but we also have a table there available as well. And if we wanted to, we could copy the response by clicking the copy message icon, and then we could paste that into a Word document. Here is a blank document, and if I hold down the Control key and press V, and we have successfully pasted in that information about the list of laptops, which you could then save for later.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.